The opening day is over in Croatia. Round 3 of this year's World Rally Championship and the first day for everyone on tarmac roads. King of the castle, Thierry Neuville. Despite this slip in the muck and the dust of the afternoon's opening stage. Seb Ogier has made sure that Neuville has had to work for his lead. He amassed 3 stage wins, clocking up career stage wins 600 and 601, and moving past Elfyn Evans and into second place. Evans was neat and tidy all day, careful, free of mistakes, but unable to hold back the multiple world champion when he showed such pace and purpose. Oyt Tanak has his eyes on the rest of the weekend. He's been improving today, but he doesn't really feel comfortable, so it's been difficult to push. Craig Breen has found it hard to break into the top 4, such has been the heat in battle up there. He'll be thinking carefully about tyre choice and car setup before picking himself up for tomorrow. Behind the top 3 on the leaderboard, Oyt Tanak and then Breen.